We are living in a bilingual accounting world where the US follows US GAAP, whereas you see IFRS in many countries around the world. With globalization today, accountants need to know both these standards. Consider Amazon or Google, Microsoft or Walmart in India. Their Indian subsidiaries need to follow Ind AS, which is the version of IFRS, and then convert those financials to US GAAP for consolidation with the parent. On the US CPA exams, we learn both US GAAP and IFRS so that you earn the skills and the credibility of a global accountant. At MyNS, we'll help you earn your CPA, establish global credibility, and scale up your career with one of the big 4 or multinational companies in India. Yes, all this with only 4 exams and in less than a year. Are you ready?